Hello, amazing people. Welcome again back to my channel. How you all doing, guys? Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're generally fine. So today on my channel, I'm going to take you through how I make multiple, several shopping bags. I can call it tote bags for sale, and also the interesting part of it, customization. Yes, I'm super excited about this one because this is actually the first time I've done my customization work, and trust me, it turned out nice. It turned out nice. So, if you know me, you know that I'm a tailor, of course. I'm a fashion tutor, especially here on YouTube. I make female wears mostly. I make fashion accessories. So, aside that, I'm a stay-at-home mom. Okay, so I work from home. If you can tell, I work from my sitting room here. And yes, and when it comes to all these fashion accessories like the hair bonnet, hair caps, tote bags, these are like side hustle you can actually add, especially if you're a stay-at-home mom. Trust me, it's something you can add to what your tailoring business. And yeah, I've been doing hair bonnet for like over 4 years now. Yes, I make it in bulks, I sell in large quantities. Yes, I've do that a lot aside my regular wares that I make. Okay, and I think middle of last year, 2024, I added tote bags to it. And honestly, these are very, very good side hustles. It can even be a side hustle, it can even be a main hustle. I won't even lie. Okay, these are very, very good thing you can add to extra, making extra to making your regular wares. Okay, yeah. So, and of course, when I do my tote bags, okay, I like to customize it. So once I'm done, I take it to the printers, the people that do, the designs for me, and yeah, and it gives it a perfect finishing. But over time, I've gotten few disappointments here and there on the work. So I stumbled online on YouTube here on how to really a lot about this customization. And I tell, oh man, this is something that I'm already doing. I do, and I pay people out there to do it. If I get into it, why not? Why not? So yeah, I decided to take that journey. Okay, so I've been on it, and yeah, I can tell you that I am now into customization. Yes, 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 I am now into it, and I'm loving it. This is something I'm already doing, and it's also good because it's relatable to it goes hand in hand with my the fashion wears on tailoring. Okay, yeah, especially if you're into street wears. I mean, people love a lot about customizations, can t-shirts, bags, caps, cups. These are beautiful things that people love to customize. So yeah, I'm into it now. Especially on the DTF print. Yes, so I'm working on that now. I eventually need to go into more because the printing thing is actually large. It's actually large, but yeah, I'm starting up with the DTF prints, which is what I'll be doing at the end of what's my video here. So what I'm doing here, basically, I'm actually making multiple shopping bags for sales. Okay, can also call tote bags. Okay, but the beauty about this one is that it has this flat rectangular surface, so it gives it more room to contain a lot. Okay, not like the regular straight cut tote bags. Okay, yeah, so more like it is ideal for a shopping bag. So that's what I am actually cutting out here, you know and I have a video I uploaded recently. It's a step-by-step process on how to cut this one. Trust me, it's a very, very detailed and short video. If I'll call it short, it's not long actually. Yes, so step by step, you can go ahead and watch it. Step-by-step process on how I actually cut out this bag. So yeah, so this is me just cutting it all out, and I'm on my way now to go do the design because at this point I was actually rushing. I've done the cutting. My staff is going to finish up with the sewing, so I had to rush to go finish up with the design because the design I do some work on the system. Okay, so yeah, and these designs I downloaded them online on Pinterest. Yes, so beautiful designs I can place on the bags. I downloaded them. So after working on it, okay, it was time for me now to start placing them. So these are the bags. They are already, this is not a day's job, trust me. Been working on this for some days, and it's already, and you can see some beautiful designs. I also have some Ankara designs here. You can see here I already have some already printed designs, and these ones are the plain ones that I'm also going to be designing now. So this was already ninth, this time ninth now. So I needed to sort out the few that I was going to do my printing on, because I needed to make this delivery tomorrow. Okay, yeah, so I had a lot of it, but I just did few printing because even the printing store place was so jam-packed, so I only had access to getting smaller prints. Okay, and this is it, this was my print. So like I said, all these designs I downloaded it on Pinterest, okay, via my phone. Then I transferred it to my system, did some graphic work on it, yeah, just some graphic work before sending it what to the DTF printers. Okay, so before sending to DTF printers, this is actually a lot. This drained me, okay, because I mean I've not done this before. Like I said, this is my first printing job. Yes, and also, yeah, I think I did a short video recently showing how I unboxed my heat pressing machine. Yes, so this is my heat pressing machine I got for, so I could be doing this job myself. I'm super excited. So yeah, what I was doing here now is just to give this a final finished pressed. Okay, it has been properly ironed, but I needed to flatten the surface properly. And yeah, I was just trying to select the ones to the designs to go for the other. So there are some with white background. I wanted it to be on what the darker surface, while darker ones can be on a lighter surface. So I was just trying to make that selection. So this is just me, trying to flatten the surface properly. Now I was actually putting my print. This is my first work. I was quite excited. Trust me, oh, the joy in my heart here, I'm not even expressing it, but I was totally drained. It has been a very stressful day, and this job needs to be delivered, tomorrow. So yeah, I just needed to make sure that I finish it up this night. So you can see me, this is me applying the heat. Okay, so there's always different temperature for this. So you need to take note of that depending on the fabric. And the thing here is that the fabric I use here, they are all different too. Different color, different fabric. The black was Chino's fabric. This particular brown one was it's called matte fabric. So what happened in this particular place is that there's a Teflon paper needs to be applied on every surface before printing. So I had to attach mine with a rubber tape, and so that part melted. That's why I had that stickiness somewhere, but I later took it off. So this particular cream one, this one is Canva. I really love this fabric so much. The texture is just so bad that you can really see it in other colors. It's rare, rare. Like I've sorted for other colors. It's so rare to find, except in this cream, color. This burnt orange one, this one is a thicker crepe. Yeah, thick crepe. Yeah. So you can see every color here. Every fabric is different. This blue one is denim. This is a denim fabric. Okay, so and of course, depending on the texture of the fabric, you might also want to work with the temperature. And here is a t-shirt, a t-shirt I had hobby bought for me. So I'm like, yo, this is the time to give this a different look. So I made a print for this. So and I applied this beautiful print I had here. I love this so much. So you can see now that I am in the customization business. So it is time to patronize me. Here I am here into t-shirts and customization, bags customization, caps, mugs. Just call on me. I am what? A call away. So this is it, guys. Everything is all ready and looking beautiful. I was done with all the printing. So I just allowed it all to cool off. Yeah, allowed it all to cool off. You can see I spread it all over. And when I was done, then I started peeling taking off the peel off. Okay, I started peeling it off. At this point it was cool. Although there were some that were still not really so attached to it, so I had to take them back to the heater, okay, to apply more pressure. You can see this one. Oh my god, this is looking so beautiful. I loved it. You won't even tell that this is my first work. Oh yeah, it was been a lot of job, a lot of training, a lot of learning, a lot of brain racking, trust me, before I got to this point. But I'm excited that all the time and energy it's paid off, and it's a good thing. So yeah, this is a good one for me, and this is of course a good business. So yeah, so I had to start taking it all off. Then, and one thing is, once I take them all off, I'll still take them again back to the printer just to apply it, but this time around to just be for a short time. Okay, yeah, so those ones that were still like they were not really there, so I had to take them back to the printer and applied more heat on it, allowed it to cool off for some seconds, and that was it. I had to even use my scissors edge. This trick just came to me. I had to use my scissors edge to apply that pressure, and it worked, and this was it when I was all done, taking it all off. So after taking it back to the heater again, you can see I had to allow it to cool off. My sitting room is everywhere, everywhere spread out with my bags. And here, guys, the job was ready to be delivered. And that's it, guys, on how to make this beautiful one. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you find this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Share with your friends, share with your sewing communities. I'll appreciate this a lot. And don't forget to give me a call, okay, for your tote bag, customization, and of course, your hair bonnet in large quantities. Bye.